Question number 16. A researcher conducted a t-test of a hypothesis mu naught, HO equals mu equals 38 versus HA mu is not equal to 38. A sample mean was 35 and the p-value for the test was 0.0627. What would the p-value have been if the researcher had used the alternative where it's less than as the alternative hypothesis? Well, let's look at our values for a moment. It's going to be half because you're double it, but I want you to understand what's going on here. So we're in a hypothesis test, we always assume the null is true. So the assumption here is that 38 is the mean. All right, we get a sample at 35. 35 is over here. We test it. We calculate this area in the more extreme direction. And because it's a two-sided test, we go to the other side. And, if that's 35, by the way, this would be 41, just FYI. And these two areas, in this case, combine to give you this p-value. So that's going to be what both of those add to. So if I'm getting rid of this one, and I'm just focusing on, let me get rid of that here. Just focusing on this part, I'm going to cut that in half. So it's going to be 0.0627 divided by 2 to get that one-sided, less than. So it will be option C. Now, if you're going from a less than to a not equal to, then you would double it. But since we're going from a not equal to a less than, we're going to cut it in half.